Let's go. The first video with better camera lights. But the thing is, I don't know how to really put them into place. So in 2 days, somebody's coming over to show me because I don't want to do all the research how to properly place them. I just let somebody help me, and now I'm also trying for the first time 2 camera angles. That's the best angle anybody has ever had. So this will be the bloopers probably. Okay. And you can of course in the comments let me know how to light things better. But let's get to the point of the video. I wanted to show you today how I am now tracking my outreaches, how I'm making progress through building an app that is helping you to become more productive, track your habits, and as I mentioned, track your outreaches, because through that, through tracking the things that you do and through making it a fun process, through having rivals and through having somebody that's looking over the things that you do, you tend to be getting things done a lot easier because the accountability that you get through that. And all those factors I put into an app that I'm creating with Claude Code and that you are able now to use. At the end I will show you how you can use it, but let me first of all show you all the features that it has. So let's get to the screen. Here it is. I'm quite old, I need my glasses to look into it. So here it is, the beautiful app. It started as Outreach Quest, but steadily I am building it more into more life companion where you can document everything on a day-to-day basis, because I had many locations where I tracked my things. For example, I had Notion, I have Google Sheets, I have different kind of apps where I'm tracking my stuff, but now I'm bringing it slowly all together for me to use, and that's why it will become better and better because I'm using it as well. And I know what I want features to have, like I know what the features are that I need, and so it will be also good for you. And of course you can then give me feedback on the things that you might want to have as well. So here at the beginning you can see your rivals, which is one. Ors is my client, and this is my business buddy that I put into this system for seeing how we progress and overseeing how many outreaches my client does at the moment. And you can see it here. I started it like last Wednesday, the project, or yeah, it doesn't matter. And there you can see, oh, Vincent wasn't using it so much, but there you can see your rivals and you can motivate each other. There you have your level, which is like your experience, which levels up when you click the outreach button, which you only do when you do outreaches. So yeah, be honest with yourself, otherwise it doesn't help you. And you can then do the outreaches. I have my smartphone because you can also use it in your phone. I have it next to my laptop, and then I write to the people that I think I might be able to help, and then I click okay. Or I write 5 people and then I like this. Oh, I reached level 8. Okay, there you can track your follow-ups, which I'm currently not doing. I integrated it, but I will also get back into this outreach type of stuff, because in the past I've been now the last month focusing on the local business, and there I was more focused on ads and different funnel, so I didn't track it in this way. But now I'm getting back, and there you can see I'm quite consistent already. And here you can see your achievements, and of course I will upgrade them when I reach everything and yeah, build it out. There I have my leads, habits, workouts, and reflect. Those also are quite new. And the leads, I just briefly show it to you, which is the pipeline where I track my leads. So it will become a CRM as well. So there I have my leads, and for example, yeah, I don't have to show you the leads, but I'm also just getting into it and starting to track the leads, and then I get the response rate. I see how many calls are scheduled and stuff like that. So this will be very helpful for me as well, because I did it in the past in the sheets as well. But as you can see, I'm just starting with it again also. So I only did like 157 outreaches so far, because it's quite new. And I will slowly get to use it better and better. And yeah, then you have your habits, where I already put some habits. There I'm still also needing to get used to it. These are the habits from my client. So I wrote them as a standard thing, and I can also, as an admin, like edit everything. There you can add new habits. And then we have the workouts. There you can log your workouts. Here I'm also not tracking this at the moment, but my client does. That's why I built it. And this is what I'm using at the moment. So there I have my quick links where I do GM. If you know, you know. Then I do my money tracking. I look into my money. I make my music. Like, I don't make my music. I play music to look at my vision. And this is just some links that are bringing me towards the different things that I'm using, the different websites, which I can't put into this my own, or I haven't put them into yet. There I can start my morning routine, where I first of all ask a few questions about my tombstone, to be thinking about what I didn't do good the last day, or what I would have written on my tombstone. For example, I wasn't proud of myself because I didn't trade or something. Here lies someone who didn't train, who scrolled too much, or something like that. But you can also write things in that are okay, who stuck to everything that he wanted to do, who did all his daily targets and so on. So there you can be honest with yourself. Then there are a few prompts to guide you through the morning process. And there you can also see a tract, what I wrote about the obituary. Then you have the success journal, which I'm also needing to write today still. So I can do it right now. I'm using Whisper. So, okay, today I set up my studio lights at my place. Nice. Visited my grandmother for food. Oh, it translated to German. I had a massage client that I went to and did a good massage. I took the day to relax a lot and to recover a lot, because the whole week was quite a lot. I did 20 outreaches. Okay. So this is how you can use it. Of course, you can write different things in there, your successes, and if you find it hard to write successes into your success journal, that means you can work a lot on your self-confidence, and you can start by tracking very little things. Okay, today I did the dishes, I brushed my teeth, I went to bed on time, I made my bed in the morning, I went out for a walk, I visited my parents, stuff like that. So you can start with little things as successes, and then you can build it up. Just a small hint there. And there you have your stats, and there you have your milestones that you are working on, and I can update this. Probably I will do it automatically. So this month I want to do 400 outreaches. This will probably change. Maybe I want to do more, but let's see. So I'm on pace. There, cold calls I haven't done this month yet. I want to get to 40, so I'm gonna have to do some work. And there you can do your financial tracking. And that's about it from the app. Of course, I have my admin thing, that something you can't use, but there I can manage you. If you, for example, become a client, I can work on your stuff as well to set everything up for you, what is important for you. And you can add your device here, where you have your QR code QR code, you can scan it and then log in. You have your settings where you can do something, you can cross-sync and also log into an existing account where you have your code, for example. Then you can export all the data and of course reset it. And here you can, for example, also backfill the past days. So that's just what the app is about. So yeah, this is just what I wanted to show you. And if you want to use this app, as I mentioned, I will now tell you how to do it. You just log into my school community and then I will give you the access to the app. If you want some guidance or a call how to adjust it to your situation, you can also book a call then when you join the school community. And the link is below. I wish you an epic day. I wish you all the best, all the health, crush your goals, crush everything in your life. Go after your dreams, live your life, enjoy. And I'm finished now. See you guys.